Arranging a detailed plan of your estate can help ensure your personal items go to the right people or organizations. Senior Citizen Lawyer helps seniors with strategic plans and advice so they can enjoy their golden years. Attorney at law Dustin McFarland is here with more on why an estate plan is important. Welcome, Dustin.
Good morning. Thanks for great to be here.
Yeah, happy to have you on. And Dustin, can you tell us who needs to do an estate plan?
So I think everyone, but really a husband who loves his wife gets a professionally drafted estate plan. This means you hire a law firm to get it done.
And how does having an estate plan ready to go help your loved ones?
So when we get married, we take a oath and a vow to protect and take care of our spouses. And doing an estate plan is just that. It is planning for the future for worst case scenario of injury, illness, or death in the case we're not there anymore.
Yeah, we want to make sure we're prepping ahead. So, what is the cost of not doing an estate plan?
So it's really a lot more than just money. Not having an estate plan causes emotional trauma, stress in the family, and fear of the unknown. And I've seen widows after their husband's passing lose everything. They've lost their house, their money, their income, and their loved ones and support groups, all because they did not prepare for the future.
Yeah, we definitely want to avoid that. So, how can someone make sure that they're choosing the right attorney?
So I think you really need to talk to an attorney who's willing to invest some time in learning about you, your concerns, your wants, your fears. It's not all about the legal documents, the tools that they use. It's much more than that. It's addressing your particular needs
And when,
and what you're concerned about.
yeah, and when hiring an attorney, what are the three most important questions to ask?
So I think three important questions to ask when hiring a law firm to do your estate plan is one, what kind of guarantee do you have? We have a 100% money back guarantee. If people are not satisfied with the service, we're happy to give them a full refund. We want to also make sure you want to ask if the law firm will help connect their bank accounts, their investments in real estate to the estate plan. And you want to make sure, you want to ask if that's the only law practice they're practicing in. You really don't want someone who's doing family law and bankruptcy and criminal defense. Oh, and by the way, estate planning too. You want someone who really focuses on this area of law.
Yeah, you want to make sure it's a priority. And what if someone has a simple situation? Wouldn't it just be easier for them to do it themselves?
You know, there is no simple situation. In fact, in my own family, I have seen relatives lose houses and just their life savings because they thought their situation was simple and they didn't prepare for the future.
Yeah. And Dustin, I understand you have a special offer for our Your California Life viewers.
So I do. So in the spirit of trying to protect your family and your spouse, not only do we do estate plans, but we also include asset protection trusts in these estate plans, which means no one can ever take what you leave your family. And so for the callers today, we will include these asset protection trusts in your estate plan at no additional charge to make sure that no one ever takes your home or your money away from the people that you love most.
And when planning an estate plan, why should our viewers go with Senior Citizen Lawyer?
So we take the time to really sit down and learn what your major concerns are. We also make sure that your estate plan is fully implemented. We have a full-time person who goes to the bank with you and the investment advisor and the county recorder connecting everything. And it's just not a one-time transaction. We're going to follow up with you every year and make sure that your estate plan is current and up to date, ready to protect your family when you need it most.
All right, Dustin with Senior Citizen Lawyer, thank you for joining us this morning. And for that free consultation, visit seniorcitizenlawyer.com.